Good morning. So this is the second video in continuation of the turnover jig design. So in the last video we have just created the component. Now in this video we are going to create the jig plate as well as jig bushes. Okay, let us start. So the assembly is active now. Now we are going to insert a create a new component. Create a new component, and the name of the component is part, and the file name is we will give jig plate, right? Jig jig plate body, jig plate body. Common name is turnover jig design. Turnover jig design. Then OK. Now we will give a locate default datums, then align coordinate system to coordinate system, then OK. Then we can click on the assembly definition coordinate system. So now we are inside the assembly, and jig plate body is active now. Now if we want, we can turn off these planes, because these planes we are not using now. Let us turn off these planes so that whatever we are working with will be clearly visible for us. So I have turned off all the other planes. So now what we will do, we will just offset a plane some distance, let us say some 5 mm above this top face. So select the plane, then click on the face, then give some value here 5 mm. So we are using 5 mm offset. So this is the arrow direction. So it will create a plane above the component. Then directly we are going for extrude, and in the now we will create a center rectangle here by using this center as the origin location point. Just to draw a rectangle, then let us define the length and width for this particular rectangle. So actually we need to provide some location features here. So this I am going to give 200 for the time being, then enter. Then the other one, let us give some, so this how much we can give, say 160 not required, so we will change to 140. Okay, I think this we will increase little bit, 220 we will give, 220. Then okay, just we will extrude this, then we will come back to the remaining features later. Then okay. Now the height what we are going to give is just let us give some 20 or 22 mm height. 20 will be okay, 20, then okay. Press Ctrl D, so it will automatically come to the default orientation. Now I'm directly going to give the chamfer and all. So before that, what we will do, we will rename the extrude, that is base extrude, base extrude 1. Okay. So this is the base extrude 1. Now as we will give the chamfer also, so bring the cursor here, right click, then pick from the list. So select the appropriate one. So when I select this intent edge, so I'm getting all the corners, all this side edges got selected, then OK. Then let us give some value, 4 or 5. Okay, 5 we will give, enter, then OK. Now we can, similar way we can give the chamfer on all the other these edges as well. Go to chamfer, then bring the cursor here, right click, pick from the list, then similar way, so this also got selected, then OK. So this we will change to 1. Okay, then enter, then press Control key and again go and select this one of the indent edge, then make sure that all the other edges also selected as well, then OK. Then the other side as well, so press Control key and bring the cursor here, right click, pick from the list, then select this, OK. Again one more time, press Control key, bring here, pick from the list, so arrange such a way that you can able to OK, then OK, then tick. So we have made all the chamfer neatly, and the advantage of this is that all the chamfer will appear in one single set. So the modification is easy. If I want to make it 1.5, so just to go here, edit definition and change the value to 1.5. So all the chamfer will get modified simultaneously. That is the advantage of this kind of arrangement. Now we are going to make the jig bush holes on this particular plate. Okay, so for that, okay, this maybe if we want we can rename it. What happened, this this actually I want to give base extrude. Okay, it is done. Then this is this also I want to rename it, chamfer 5 into 45, 5 into 45, enter. Then this is chamfer 1.5. So something like this we can rename it, chamfer 2. Okay, chamfer edge. Okay, something like this. Enter. Now we will make the jig bush holes. So let us do that. So again we will go directly extrude, placement, define. So on this face, okay, actually I want to do in this way. Here properties, I'm directly going to give jig bush hole. Okay, directly I'm going to give this jig bush hole. Then placement, define, on this face, sketch. Now what I can do, I can change the display style to hidden line, so that I will get the view of the component together with the jig plate. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give references and click all these holes. Okay, let us first make the through hole only. Okay, we will do it in two steps. So now I can make the circle here. So make the circle. So make I made the 4 circles. So automatically the location is locked. Now only the requirement is dimension. So this hole, as per our drawing, this is 12 and this is 11. So 12 plus 2.5 land we will consider. 12 plus 5. So this we will change to 17. So automatically all the 4 holes got modified. Okay, then just change this to shading with edges. Then okay. Then I'm going to flip the direction, then remove material, then through all, then okay. Okay, so this we will edit the jig bush hole. So we will give the name as 12, and so we know that is the 12 diameter hole. Bush, whatever the bush we are going to insert will be of 12 mm dia. So similar way we will make the other hole also. So again extrude. So properties, so this one jig bush dia 11. Okay, I mentioned like this, then enter, then go to placement, define on the same face, sketch. Again one more time we will change the display style to hidden line, then right click, select references, select these 4 holes, close. Then similar way we will make 4 more circles. 1, 2, 3, not here. I think this is something happened here. Okay, this, let me delete this. about this? Okay, now directly we will give this equal with this and this equal. Okay, now we will maintain the same dimension for this also. This is also, we will make it 17. So now this also we have done. Now we will change the display style to shading with edges, then okay, then again flip direction, then through all, then okay. The next part is, so in this video, as I mentioned, we will complete the Jig Bush also. So before that, let me activate and save. Okay, so I saved, so regenerate, save. Okay, now let us make the Jig Bush. So as per the internal diameter here, you know that everything is diameter 17. So to make some difference, one of the bush we will make longer, and the other one we will make the size flushing with this face. So before that, I think we will give some counter bore also. So on this face, sorry. So first what we will do, I activated the jig body. Now directly I can go for hold, or okay, I will go for extrude only, extrude. So in the properties, so we will give counter bore. So just symbol, some name CBR, counter bore, all. I'm going to give counter bore for all. Then placement define on this sketch. Now let us make some arrangement. So I'm going to draw all the counter bore in one place. Okay, let us draw anywhere 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So now I will make it everything equal with this. Okay, now I think we may need to define some more references. So go to references, right click and select all these things. I think that is okay. Close. Now we will make the coincident or coincident, this point coincident with this center point. Okay, again this circle coincident here, this one is coincident on this center, it's not coming here. So once again we will define, right click, references, and this one close. Then again coincident, this on this. For this we will make coincident here, this one we will make coincident here. Okay, I think let me do, okay, everything is modifying in the similar way. So what we will do, okay, this here again coincident, so this one is coincident on, okay, I think this also we will define a reference for this as well, then close. then coincident. So check everything is correct. Everything is correct. Make sure that all the center point is correct. Okay, just we will define the diameter. So this one, the previous diameter was 17. So this one we will change to how much we can give. 17 plus 2, 19 plus 21 we will give. 21. Okay, 21. Okay, give the tick mark, then change the direction, remove material, then height we will give something like 5 mm, enter, then okay. So the counter bore also completed. Now the center hole, that center hole also has to be completed. So for that we will again go for extrude, and the properties we will give center hole, center hole, extrude, then placement defined. Okay, sorry, so I need to go here, set up this remove. So I want to select this face, sketch, then again I will change this to hidden line, then right click, references, select this reference as well, close, then we will make a circle. So this which dimension we can, okay, we will use this. So this is coming like 30. So we will give this dimension as 24. Okay, let us remove this, something like 24. Then okay. So we will change this to again shading with edges, then change the direction, remove material, then this one again we will make it through all, then okay. So for this also we need some counter bore, that also we will make. So extrude again, properties, CBR, center, okay, then placement, this placement here, then we can, if you want, we can give the reference once again, references, select this, close, then make a circle once again. So this we will give 24 plus 26, 28, we will give 28, that is enough. Then okay, change the direction, then remove material, then again this also we will give 5, then okay. So let us save. So next thing is that let us insert a locating pin, that is the center pin. So for that we will activate this one. Then again we will create component, this part, and the file name is locator pin or center locator pin, center locating pin, center locating pin. Common name is TurnOver Jig, TurnOver Jig design. Okay. So same thing we will use. Okay. Then select the definition assembly definition coordinate system, and I think we will turn off this as well. This we will turn off. Now we can press Ctrl D. Then we will go for revolve. So we will directly go for revolve. Then properties, we will give the base sketch. This is our base sketch. Placement, on this placement we will select one of the plane here, this plane, and first of all we will insert a center line. Now so same thing, what we will do, we will change to hidden line option here, and so now we will, what we will do, we will right click here, references, what we will do, we will make this one reference, and here this as you know, here there is a small dimension variation, so this also we will make it as a reference. Then here one reference, here all these things we will make it as a reference. Then close. Then we will draw line passing through this point. Okay, let us make like this. Then here we will make some small angle here. Okay, let us move up to here. Then here we will make some small value. Then we will draw up to here. Okay, here we need a small clearance, so we will just bring this up to here only, and here close the sketch. Okay. Now we can give the values wherever required. So this we have to give. So this we will give 20. So that was 24, 26, 27, 28. So we will give 27.5. 27.5. And here this dimension we will I think one more reference we will give, one more reference we will give. So here, okay, I think one more here also we will give, another one reference here, and we will maintain this at the middle of this, middle of both. Okay, in case if we want to do any other. So this we will change to construction. Then one more point, Then we will make horizontal, this point horizontal with this point, and the total height, instead of giving total height, one more reference we will give here. So why I am giving all these things is, in case if we modify something, I want to keep the relation same every time. So from here to here, what we will give is some 3 mm we will give. Then okay, this angle we will give 15 degree normally, that is the dimension. Then one more dimension we will give from here to here. So this we will give something like 12. Okay. Okay, we will click, then change this thing, then okay. Now we will give some small fillet here, round. So bottom BOT. Okay, sets here. So we'll give something like 4 mm or 5 mm. 5 mm we will give. And here also we will give one more fillet, round. Let us give some 3 mm. Okay, edge. Okay, anyway, we will give here sets on this edge, then okay. So that is completed. If we want, we can give some chamfer also. Okay, let us give that chamfer as well. Chamfer. So on this edge, we want to give one chamfer here. So we will give one. Press Control and select the inner edge as well. So we will, I think 0.75. We'll give 0.75. Then okay. Now next part is, again we will activate and we will save it. Save, regenerate, save. Now we will make the jig bushing. So go for create, jig bush, jig bush, dia 12 we will make first, dia 12. Then common name is TurnOver jig. Actually, the standard parts are available in some of the sites like Museburger and all. You can download the step file of the standard Jig Bush dia 12, but I am trying to make the entire thing in the design environment itself. Okay, then select this. So Jig Bush dia 12. So as we know, dia 12 bushes are coming at this location. So what we will do, we will once again we will turn off the planes which we are not using. And then in this case again we will go for revolve. So for that I'm going to create a plane. So axis is available, right? The axis is available here. So we will go for a plane, then select this axis here. Okay, press Control key and select one more plane, this plane. So now we can make here we will make parallel. So now we got a plane passing through that axis and parallel to the plane selected. Then OK. Then we will go for revolve. So this again we will change the hidden mode, and actually we were okay, let us create the center line first of all. Center line, I think this where we have selected the location. I think this is the location which we have selected. Okay, this is the location. So we will make a axis center line. Then again we will make some references on this edge as well as on this edge. Okay, then we will draw our required cross section here. Okay, I think before that we will make the references. Once again references, we will select this edge, and this as well. Okay, now we can make here. Okay, in this case what I am going to do is I'm going to extend the length a little bit like this. So this 17 plus 4 21, so this we will make 20.5, and this here I think we will give some angle like 10-degree angle we can give. 190, 190, and this we will give 14, and here total height we will mention 32. 32 will be okay. I think all the dimensions are being so this is our jig bush. Ensure that this is in correct orientation with the hole. Let us check bottom view. Okay, it is set. Control D. Now we will give some small chamfer as well. Chamfer here, here. Sorry. Control and select this. This I am going to give 0.5. Control. Okay, that much is enough. So actually we have to give some undercut here. Okay, and now the bush is slightly weaker, so I am not giving that one. Okay, so now we have to create another bush for the other location. Let us do that as well. Activate. Before that, let us save, regenerate and save. I think what we will do, we will go to view and appearance, more appearances. Let us change the color. Color we select some of this color. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I made that one. Press save again. Save. Go to model. Now we will create the next bush. Create part. Jig bush. Jig bush. Dia 11 part. Dia 11. Common name is TurnOver jig design. Okay. So again we will use the same concept. Okay. So before that, I think let us switch off. Okay. Select a coordinate system. Okay. Now again similar thing, we will turn off these planes because otherwise it may create some now similarly we will make another datum plane here. Datum plane through the axis, this axis, press Control and select this plane, then make it parallel, then OK, then revolve, then make it this we will change to hidden line mode. Okay, this just first we will make the center line. Now next part is, so we will make the references. So here this edge, these things we have done. This also, here also we will make the close. Now we can directly make the I think I forgot one thing. Okay, one more reference. Here also we will make the thing. Now we can do that. So draw the line. Degree. So it's 15 degree. So 20.5. This we will give 15, 14, okay, I think that's it. Then take, so this we will change to shading with edges. Okay, now let us give some chamfer. Go and select this, press Control and select the inner edge, this edge as well, here also. Okay, now we will activate this, activate here, then save, regenerate, save. Then we want to give a view. The appearance I want to change a little bit, more appearances. Then go here, then okay, close. This one I want to apply to this bush. Okay, and few more things. Save, once again save, appearance, more appearances in this. So that file I retrieved back again. Now I want to give the appearance for the pin, this pin as well as this jig plate. Then I will make the assembly of the other components. So go to view, appearances, more appearances, under this color wheel. So let us choose some color, this some color. Okay, close it. then select this color and apply to this pin, then OK. Again we will save. Anytime it may get closed. Then again appearances, go to more appearances. This color, I'm selecting some color like this. OK. Close. This color I'm going to apply to this. OK. Then save. Okay. Now we will copy we will go for assemble here, assemble, then Jig Bush part dia 12, open. Now what we are going to do is we are going to select this face and this face. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I want to transfer this little bit. Okay, actually we have a we will use this face and this face coincident, this face and this face, then fully constrained because we have given allow assumptions. Okay, color we will apply later. Save. One more time, assemble, same thing, open. Open. First we will give this and this. Okay, we will use the same, this coincident. Then this face is coincident. I think I made a mistake. Okay, actually this is the dia 12. So I was assembling dia. Okay, let us edit that one. Edit definition. See placement. So this we will remove, this also we will remove. Okay, now let us transfer little bit. Common in this face and this face. Similarly we will change this as well. So this edit definition, placement, so this will remove, this also will remove. Okay, then transfer little bit. Okay, I think this also will remove. Okay, so first one we will use this face and this cylindrical face. Okay. One more, assemble, open, this cylindrical face and this cylindrical face are coincident. This flat face with this flat face will make coincident. Then okay. So you can clearly see that by using the jig slightly longer, the we can clearly identify if any mistake is done or not, right? This is a kind of error proofing in. So if I fix this bush over here, it won't work. So next again assemble, then we will go for the bush 11 open, and now quickly we can complete the assembly. One face here, then this face with this face, tick, assemble, dial 11 open, this face, again drag it, this and this face, tick, assemble, open, this cylindrical face and this cylindrical face, drag this face and this face, coincident, okay. So now again Control D, save. Okay, now we want to copy the color as well, so that quickly we can identify. So go to view, appearance, copy paste appearance. So this we will copy on this, okay. Again appearance, copy paste appearance, this press this one, press Control and select this one, then okay. Similarly copy paste appearance, this appearance, select this, press Control, select this, then okay, save, Control D. So today in this video session I'm going to end this particular session. We'll see the remaining part in the next session. Thank you.